In this video, we're assembling the Poinsettia A7 card. Okay, I have all of my pieces laid out, and just looking to see. I'm going to start with the inside. So we have these two pieces, a colored piece and then another white piece to layer here on the inside of the card. It adds a little bit of character inside, but it also balances out the weight from the front of the card. So I would not suggest leaving these two pieces out. If you don't want this decorative piece cut in it, that's fine, but I would highly suggest still using these two pieces inside your card. For the sake of videotaping, I probably should not have used a white base, but I did. Okay, so that's that. Now this borders like that. So let's put this together first. And you're just going to eyeball this. And you have a slight border all the way around. Okay, just like that. And then this goes here on the front. And again, a slight border all the way around. Okay. And now we can set this aside while we work on the base. So I have already glued on my berries. Okay, those are all individual that you. And what I've done for these base pieces is these all line up exactly. So if you look at it, you can see, and it's not square. So you want to find the tall part, and then it'll be easy to line it up. Otherwise, you'll just have to keep turning it around to find where it lines up. Okay, so you just want to line this up like so. And then this piece as well just lines right up. I hope I have it the right way. Yes. Okay, but I think I want to add some foam tape to these pieces. So I'm starting with my brown as the bottom. And because these 5 leaves line up exactly, you can easily add some dimension and use these leaves to put your dimensional tape on. Okay. And just going to make sure I have that lined up before I push it down. And then I think I'm going to fold these, pinch these leaves right here at the top corner a little bit. I'm just going to glue this one down flat. I want it at the bottom. I think I'm going to change my mind and I'm going to put this green layer on the bottom. These three, it doesn't matter which way you layer them. Just move them around, find what you like best. And this is what I like. I think I like this. Okay, then the next piece that's going to go on is a piece that we used to find these layers. And on these layers, I've already pinched the leaves a little. I've pinched each leaf. Okay, and I am just going to glue this in the center because I want it to be a little bit loose. So I'm just going to put the glue in the center so that my leaves can be a little loose. And then these you just want to stack biggest to smallest. And again, I'm only going to put glue in the center and I'm going to offset my petals from the one below it. I'm going to do that for each layer. Again, just find a spot to offset them. I'm only gluing the center down. There we are. Then I'm going to use a foam square here in the center. I'm going to cut it in a small square. I'm going to put that right here on the center. Let me glue my little pieces in place. Oops, that's not dry yet. Okay. And then I'm just going to push this right on. I'm pushing hard so that that glue catches all the way down. And that's it. That's the poinsettia. And then I'm going to put this right here in the center of the card. And if you have a stamp that says Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or anything you wanted to use this for, this would be a beautiful, you know, if you did this poinsettia in whites and creams, what a beautiful wedding card that would be for a Christmas time wedding. You know? So, you know, don't feel limited to Christmas on these cards. A lot of times you can just change the colors and you can do a whole nother occasion. It'd be a pretty birthday card. And there it is. There is and this is an A7 poinsettia card. Thank you for joining me.